hope that you guys are doing well. Welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be quite short. It's a daily snaps episode. These are episodes that I make usually when I did not intend on making an episode. Today I'm going to be sharing with you just some pictures that I made, snapshots if you will, that I made while I was in Sweden. So there's two photo segments. All of the photo segments were shot with the XF10, mainly because this is a camera that is really, really small and I could take it with me while I was jogging, while I was on a bike ride or hanging out with friends. Yeah, I just had it with me the entire time. So I got to Sweden and you guys saw the previous episode, so you guys kind of know what's happening already. But I went there for a wedding, and so that weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we were in the countryside in a cottage. And on Sunday, after the wedding was over, my friend Yogan, who has a drone, wanted to go and do some drone shots. And so I took the XF10, we went for a photo walk, and I snapped a couple of shots just to remember the place. And that's what you're gonna be seeing in this next segment. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and play that now. All right, guys, so the images that you have seen and the images that you're gonna see, they're not really like amazing images. In fact, I almost did not make this video because I thought, the images are not so great. Though I will say I do like the images in this next segment a lot more than the images that I just shared with you now. But I think more than anything, what I wanted to do with this video is not so much share the images for the sake of sharing the quality of the images, but rather share the experience or the habit or the exercise of documenting the peaceful things, the quiet things, the silent things. After the wedding, after the segment that you saw, I went back to Stockholm, and then I did 1 day of street photography, which was in the last video. And then after that, my friend Yogan went back to California, and I went back to the countryside in Sweden. Yeah, I spent a couple of days there. And so there is something very, very special about the way the leaves constantly dance in the wind in Sweden. And I'm going to be sharing in the next segment, which will be the last segment. I'm actually going to share some of the sound of the leaves. It's a sound that brings me peace and tranquility, and it calms me down. Sometimes when I'm sad, it makes it a little bit more clear as to why I'm sad. I don't know how to describe that or explain that, but that's what it is. Simplicity is good for the soul. And yeah, I hope that you guys have enjoyed today's episode. Here's the last segment, and I will see you guys in the next one. So yeah, enjoy this last segment. Take care, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
I'm gonna miss this place. It's a very peaceful place.